yourself as a comedian, how do you draw the fine balance between being funny and being politically correct?
You have to censor yourself. You should know, because if you want to stay in this business for a long time, you should know what you can and what you cannot say. But you can push the boundaries a bit. But still have a fine line, because you don't want to open a new can of worms or wake the sleeping dogs up. You have to be careful, yet you can still make fun of policies, you can make fun of what people are thinking. There are a lot of things now, especially during the pandemic, there are a lot of things to talk about. You need to censor yourself. You don't want to get into trouble, because if they ban you, you're finished.
Yeah.
You know, then your career go down. So I built this for 30 years and I'm not going to lose it. Not ready to lose it yet.
And please remember to always go home and husband, be nice to your wife. Wife also be nice to your husband. Please, wife, don't be stingy. What's your problem? It's your husband, what? You know, husband go outside fine, you know. But husband sure get caught. You know why nowadays men stupid? All buying the latest iPhone, screensaver your face. Husband sleeping, wife take the handphone, put on his face. Husband cannot do to wife, because wife sleep, no makeup. He put on her face straight away, direct call mother-in-law. Hey, chalat, chalat. You see, that's why I never got married. It's never going to happen. Don't worry. My mother still hope. She got this hope that one day I'll still get married. I told mom, at 50, you still think I get married? Maybe you marry, you know, Indian very drama. Maybe you marry, it's a leap year because of 28, 29, right? This year should be a leap year. Like, forget this year. In 2021, we start at 2020. Because it's been so challenging, right? I mean, like, so many challenges this year. For an example, even wearing a mask was challenging. I've even taken the lift. I went on, thank God, HDB lift got mirror. Because before the lift open, you come out without mask, somebody gonna shout, wear mask lah! So the mirror, I went down to the first, I still haven't story now. I went to the first floor, no mask, go up again. I even saw one boy cute, no, he went opposite, then he walked back, now wear mask. Then he knocked his head, I must wear mask, I must wear. Until he walked back home, no, like must remember. It was so challenging to wear masks, you know, I tell you. And a lot of people still refuse to, a lot of old people forget to wear masks. Even that time I walk my dogs, you know, I got 2 dogs. I forget to wear masks. Then the auntie from the other block, she look out the window, she say, Kumar, wear mask lah. The whole block, no, I never wear mask, bloody auntie. Then I quickly bring this true incident, I quickly bring my dogs back home, you know. And my dogs look. In Singapore, there are a lot of women who are single, a lot of men who are also single, because women don't understand men, men don't understand women. Let me explain to you women. I know men, I was a man before. I'm still one lah, shit. Men cannot multitask, finish. Man, if you tell me you can multitask when you're having the morning poo in the toilet and using your Facebook, that is not multitask. Man cannot multitask because he can sit in a car, the friend sit next to him, they're driving the car. Then the friend say, hey, hot girl. He cannot reply because cannot multitask. When he reach the destination, then he, yeah, I saw. He like, who you saw lah? So long already. And men, if you don't understand women, I will explain to you, because I'm almost there. Women are like dolls. If you're lucky, you get... I stay in HDB now, right? Below my house. Chinese people, below my house. Buddhists, I think. Why must keep the body so long? Why can't you just follow like the Indian or Malay? Come, go, pack and go. But you're like... And then they're disturbing us because the Buddhist ones, so every night is like... And they go get louder. Do they even breathe? And it's so contagious because after I go to the kitchen, wash my hand, I also... And even Mustafa also, the guy selling fish from China. Yeah, Mustafa, no, the guy selling fish. They're two talking. That's Mandarin. Girls marry white men because white men are very romantic. I understand. They love the morning face of the wife. I don't know how that happens. The wife morning, no, the hair like that, the face crack. The husband, stop. So naturally beautiful, aren't you? Singaporean men wake up, turn from, hey! You know what happened? And if you have kids, if you still want to make love, on your bedroom door put Vaseline. They cannot open the door. Daddy, daddy, come on. I'm teaching you, I know. Dogs are the best. I called it Oreo. They're better than companion, no. Because dogs, you can leave them 2 hours in your house. You go out, you come back, they will still be happy to see you. You can feed them anything, no. They're not fussy. And then they will sit next to you and then they will just keep quiet. Unconditional love. But the only downfall about dogs, that when you go out, you play with other dogs, you come home, they sniff, they know you've been with other dogs. They're like, oh. Can you imagine if a human can sniff another human when you've been out with another human? You know how many married men will be caught? Your husband come back, wife. Oh, you went to see Rani, huh? Because a lot of men at 40, they want to have sex. But the wife at 40, they got no more urge already. Because give children a day, they are working, too tired. But men at 40, you should just watch cartoon. And the Indian wives are different. They try to look sexy, but some cannot make it. Not all, some. I'm not saying all. Some really cannot. Like after having sex with your wife, it's like you pump air in, is it? They like just bloat up like helium balloons. I don't know. I don't understand what happens. Chinese wife can give birth 5 children and still look like tauge, you know. Like. Indian wife give birth puri. I hope you all know what puri is, the bloat. Girls who are virgin, today is Friday. You go out. Clubbing, you like a guy, talk to him. Guys also, you like a girl in a club, go lah. I don't understand. The friend, no, hey, go lah, go lah. Then the friend, you go lah, you go lah. Then she go lah, alam. What's wrong with you people? Enjoy the music lah. Singapore is crazy, I'm telling you. Even our trains, you know, a lady carrying a baby, cannot breastfeed, no, because the sign says no outside food. So she's carrying the baby. So all these ladies, what they do is they take bus. So that time below my house at the bus stop, one lady, Chinese lady, came out of the bus. Her left breast was hanging out. Everybody taking video, nene video. I went to her, ma'am, your left breast is out. She said, oh my God, I left the baby in the bus. There's an Indian man sitting here with no response. I don't know why you're even here. Oh, thank you for responding now. He's just staring at me like, I wish my wife looked like you. He had no response. He's just like, we're very depressed. When we get very sad, what we do? We all go and eat. Or shop. Eating, okay. Shopping, better. But eating is a bit horrible. In Singapore, every time we got celebrity chef, you know. From France, from Italy. This celebrity chef, a waste of money. You know, the appetizer will be $49, but the plate so big, it will only come half a prawn. On some stupid green leaf. Then on top got yellow shit. I don't know what is there. Then the whole plate got dot. $49 in the market, how many prawn I can buy, you know? He didn't even give me 1 prawn, half a prawn some more. Then the French chef come and explain to you, we cook the prawns with a bit of garlic and a bit of what is this? What are you talking da? Stupid. And then the white people all cut the prawn, no? I just put in my mouth, finish already. Because girls don't understand men, men don't understand women. I will explain to you now. Girls don't understand men, I know men. I was a man before. Men cannot multitask. They think they can. Morning, taking a dump in the toilet and using Facebook. That's not multitasking. When man driving his car, her friend sitting next to him, halfway driving, the friend say, hey, you see there's a hot girl standing there. He cannot reply because he cannot multitask. Until it's the destination. Yeah, I saw. Who you saw? And man, you don't understand women. Do you know to do stand-up comedy is very hard when you're someone like, distracting, but it's just that we got used to it in so many years, right? And man, you don't understand women. I also explain to you about women because I'm almost there. Yeah. Sometimes go toilet also problem. Sit or stand. Alam, forget. Last week, I hosted a wedding, Malay wedding. Fullerton Bay Hotel. Don't play, Malay. Fullerton, got money. Then the food is fine dining, all the Malay auntie all sitting, the food come, they're like, hey, where's the sambal belacan? Tak ada. Last time I like Malay wedding at the void deck. You just give money, you don't need to know them, just eat. And their dessert table is until the end of the block. Malay must have sugar, what? No pets allowed, huh? But it's okay, so carry on. Really? That time, below my house there, got Malay wedding, I just give $30, I went to eat. Then one Malay auntie, are you a colleague or relative? I say, colleague, kak. Colleague of who? The groom. You also fireman?
Pangit mo.
Pero may talent. Kung makapanglait ka sa pangit,
Bakit?
huwag kang manglait sa pangit. Paano ka gaganda kung walang pangit?
So, anong ginawa ninyo?
Kami tong nagsakripisyo.
Ati siya kung tasakdisikan, tasi ka tinapintasan. Alaing mo. Wow! Sikat siya ko. Pakialamira.
Yung mga taong hindi natutuwa sa akin, huwag kayong mag-alala, hindi rin ako natutuwa sa inyo. Parehas lang tayo. Nutil. At yung mga taong gustong-gusto ako, maraming salamat. Ibig sabihin, isa rin kayo mga inutil. Pero mabait. Diba? Ika nga sa aking motto. I'd rather be a freak than a fake. Diba? Maganda ng lapas yung ugali kaysa nagmamalinis. Gonggong. Ala naman ako sa politika, bakit ako may tatago?